Hello friends, welcome to the Kingston Kalu Academy and Scholars. Today we're going to be talking on addition of 1 and 2 digit numbers. Let's get started. First, I'm going to tell you about maths. Maths is just like riding a bike. The first time you ride a bike, you fall, the second, the third, until you practice and get better and you can ride it on the street easily. That's just how maths is. So I'm going to teach you a little on some addition questions. So let's get started. 2, let's say they gave 2 plus 3. How do you calculate this? This is, and you have to identify the 2 and the 3. So you identify the 2 with 2 bulbs, 1 and 2, and the 3 with 3 bulbs, plus 1, 2, 3. So 2 bulbs plus 3 bulbs is equals to 5. Your answer is 5. Let's take it a little higher. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is equals to, how many bulbs can we count here? Correct, 4 bulbs. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many bulbs are here? 2 bulbs plus 2 bulbs, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Let's take it a little higher. 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. So take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So your answer is 13. But you don't just keep counting bulbs because it can get higher. You cannot just count, they say 100 plus 15. You cannot count 100 bulbs and 15 bulbs. So I'm going to give you an easier method. The finger counting method. 9 plus 7. So when you're doing addition of numbers, you can't just count bulbs all the time, like 100 plus 15. You can't count 100 bulbs and 15 bulbs. So I'm going to teach you an easy counting method. 9 in your mind. You put 9 in your mind plus 7. So I'm going to count 7 times. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So automatically 9 plus 7 is 16. I'm going to give you another question on that. The more you solve, the more you get practice on it, the more you get better. 11 plus 3. So you notice the difference. These are 2-digit number. This is a 2-digit number plus a 1-digit number. This is very easy. Just calm down and listen. So we arrange it. 11 plus 3. Sorry. 11 plus 3. So we start from the right to the left to solve. Don't start from the left to the right. And focus on one thing. A unit is supposed to align with a unit. So this is a unit and this is a unit that are to align. You can't put a unit in a tens. That is wrong. So if you put this unit in a tens, automatically your answer is 41, which is wrong. So 1, you don't focus on adding them together. Just focus on this 1 and 3 first. 1 plus 3 is what? Everyone knows that. 4. 1, there's nothing here, so it's just like there's a 0 here. But since you are beginners, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. Don't forget, this 0 is not compulsory. It's just to make things easier. So I'm going to wipe off the board here. Stay tuned as we move on to the next part of the lesson. So I'm going to give you some more questions on this. Let's try 13 plus 4. 13 plus 4. Arrange it. Unit with unit. Tens, there's no tens. So we have 13 plus 4. 3 plus 4 is what? That is 7. 1, don't forget an invisible 0 here. 1 plus the invisible 0, 1. So our answer is 17.